courteous and friendly with the family. It was really very easy to communicate with these guys. I could get a hold of either JP or Eddie or text them. My wife is deaf, so they would text her when she had questions or call me. When we reached out to get a hold of somebody, we got an answer back within an hour.
Hi, my name is Katie, and this is my husband Leonard, and we're here to tell you what a great experience we've had with today's Kitchen and Bath, with Eddie and with JP. Everything that I asked them for, they heard, they listened, they delivered, and on top of it, they gave me additional suggestions which I never would have thought of because they are the pros. And if there were any problems, no matter what it was, they would say, no problem. And they would fix it for me. I absolutely recommend, without any hesitation, anyone who is looking for a remodel, for a kitchen or a bathroom, which they also did for us, will be very, very satisfied.